Hi everyone, in this quick video I want to show you how to use Photoshop 2023 to quickly remove the background on an image. There are some issues with this tutorial which I'll go through in a minute, but if you are looking for a fast fix to get rid of your background, this is what you do. So here I've got a picture of a dog. This picture has got a very clear background. There's no complicated background in this. It's a nice plain colour, and this tip will be really easy on this type of image. So down the left hand side you've got your tools, and if you go and click and drag on this tool, which is your eraser tool, you will find that there are more options, and I want you to choose the magic eraser tool. So you click on that and then you simply click on the background, and that will erase the background. So you can see on an image which has got a plain background, the magic eraser tool gets rid of it pretty quickly. I did say there were some issues with this. It is a quick fix, and as you can see that there are like a slight line around the edge of this dog where a bit of the background is showing through where the dog's fluffy hair is around its head and ears. So that is a problem with this type of technique, but it is a quick fix. I'll show you again on this one. So again, here's another picture of a lovely dog, and this background has got some variation in shading, but it is still plain enough for this tip to work. So again, you're looking for the magic eraser tool and you simply click on the background and it's gone. Now, as you can see, there are some issues with this one because the background had some variation. It started to take some of the little dog. So I'm going to show you one more step that if your picture is doing that, we can easily fix that. So I'm just going to go back a step. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the select subject tool. So select subject, takes a few seconds. Photoshop is trying to figure out which is the foreground and which is the background, and it depending on how the speed of your computer, it may take a few seconds or it could take a few minutes. Here we have it. So we've now got the foreground selected, but I want to delete the background, so I'm going to go back into select and I'm going to go to inverse, and that will now select the background. Instead, I press delete on my keyboard and it will ask me what I want to replace the background with. It's usually defaulted to content aware. Choose white or black, but something which is a block colour. Press OK. And now you have a block colour like we did on that first image. You can again now use your magic eraser tool to select the background and delete it. It is tricky, as I say. It's got rid of some of the dog's finer details, like its little hairs that were sticking out before. They've now gone, so it's not perfect, but it is a quick fix. Last thing that you'll need to do is save it as a PNG. A PNG will retain that transparent background. It's important that you do quick export as a PNG, not a JPEG, because JPEG will refill that transparent background with a block white colour. Okay everybody, have fun!